got a little package that came in. Check out what we got right here. A little package from Rock Auto. Shout out to Rock Auto. Giving out nothing but the best deals. Got a little mount. A little tranny mount. Oh yeah. Baby's gonna go in the hoopty. Baby's going right there. So the reason I got this mount was the previous owner said that the mount was damaged, it was messed up. When I drove the car, when I'd go from park to like reverse or whatever, it would jump, so I figured it could be that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch that out, and if it's not that, I'm gonna have to switch out the mount that's behind. Either way, eventually I'm gonna switch out all the mounts so that way the car's running good. But let's get started. All right, we took out the battery tray. All we're gonna do is basically just change out these mounts. We're gonna take out these 3 bolts. This bolt right here holding the mount right here. I'm not sure if I have to take off this this little base right here, but if I don't, that would be good. But we'll see. You never know with these cars and stuff. Something always comes up all the time. This is what we got right here. We got the new mount right here. Oh yeah, baby. There you go. The best thing about these cars, man, that it's easy to work on. Simple, not too much stuff in the way besides this little fuse box right here, but that's about it. So let me put everything back together, give it a little test drive, and see if that fixes it. We got the mount in, but I did check the mount in the back, and the mount in the back is fucked. So it's not the tranny mount. It's the mount that's in the back. That's it's basically a motor mount. So I'm gonna have to change that one. And it's not even worth taking it a test drive or even showing you guys a little test drive on it, because it's gonna do the same thing. Let's give it a turn on, see what it does. It's gonna do the same thing, but we might as well just check it out. All right, let's check it out. This little Nissan's clean. Blue interior, little 4-door, nothing crazy. Oh, let's see. Starts up al llavazo. I wish it was manual, but automatic's cool. It's just for work. It's a little DD, nothing crazy. But yeah, you see, it jumps. Yep, it's that rear mount. Yeah, we're gonna have to get that switched out soon. But yeah, I'll order that up, Rock Auto, and when it gets here, switch out that mount, and get that fixed up. But mainly in this channel, what I'm mainly focusing on, what I want to focus on, is the car audio stuff. I have a system already set up in the Denali, in the family car, and basically I want to just put all that into this. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing all that. We're gonna be putting it all in the hoopty. Hopefully it bumps, because you know we gotta be riding with some B. You already know that. And if you like the content, you know, like, subscribe, show your support, and we'll throw out more videos, man. We won't just do this car. I've done a little bit of installs, mainly just like, you know, family vehicles, you know what I mean? But I don't know, you never know. Maybe we'll move on to something else. Maybe we'll put on something in the Denali, something that'll be family friendly, you know what I mean? And something that won't take up too much space, something custom. And yeah, stay tuned. On to the next video. Let's get it.